In 2019, we launched our off-grid range of vehicles. So this one's based on a 6-metre Volkswagen Crafter, 4Motion, DSG, and the specification on the base vehicle is massive. Externally, we've got a full MaxTrax kit, and recently we've perfected our underbody protection, Vanworx winch plate with worn winch. We're using the Delta wheels and tyres, Vanworx roof rack, ladder, and spare wheel carrier. On these vehicles, we're registering them as motorhome. They carry a 3+ year warranty. They honour the warranty on the vehicle with MAN or VW. We are upplating them to 3.9 tonnes, and this can be extended to 4.2 tonnes if you need. So these vehicles are registered as motorhomes and upplated. I brought along our technical director Dan Gillam today, just to give you a bit more of an insight into exactly the detail and specification of some of the off-grid systems and what we're fitting as standard to these amazing off-grid vehicles. Hi Dan, can you tell us some of the tech specs on this vehicle?
Yeah, so part of the aim for this was to be off-grid, self-sufficient. We've got no gas in the vehicle, so a standard 460 amp hours of lithium power. We're running C-Zone management system, digital switching. We are currently looking at Garmin in the future, but at the moment C-Zone with the Master Volt charging system inverter. We've got 3 kilowatt inverter, so you can run your induction hob. We can also fit 12 volt aircon, so you can add another battery if you want, so you can have over 900 amp hours of lithium. To keep that topped up, as standard, we try and aim for 300 watt of solar, obviously depending on spec. If you want pop top or roof rack, we have to vary it a little bit, but also powerful DC-DC chargers. So yeah, off-grid is not a problem for a good few days without any movement of the vehicle.
You mentioned that you're looking to improve the bed, which is amazing already. Can you tell us a bit more about that?
Yeah, so at the moment with the Laroma mattress, we can custom make the size. We're looking to extend it. At the moment it's 6'3", so I can sleep across there. But for a taller customer, we're extending it to 6'6", just by putting another extension on this side of the vehicle.
And you're using the spacer plate on the door as well?
Yeah, so the Volkswagen spacer plate to pull the door out wider.
Oh, that's amazing. With the upplating of the vehicle to around 4 tonnes, my licence will only let me drive up to 3.5 tonnes. At Vanworx, we do have some options that I can drive, but can you just go into that in a bit more detail, please?
So yeah, we offer the Nomad conversion and the Adventurer, which are a little bit down spec'd on this. So with this being forward drive and all the extras on it, it does weigh a bit more. So we can also do this conversion on a 2-wheel drive, which will save you having to redo your license, so keep you legal. Okay,
and with the 4-wheel drive with this conversion, can we get it under 3.5 tonnes or not?
It's super tight. I mean, if you're going to have 4 people in there with 70 litres of water plus all your kit, if you've got bikes, helmets, all your gear, you're going to be pushing that, and yeah, you don't want to be caught.
No, I want my insurance to be intact, so yeah, it's really good to know. So we offer both thermal screens and mosquito screens. You've got rear windows in the back doors, which are really, really useful, especially in hotter climates. With the air extraction system, the ventilation across the bed is amazing. We've designed the garage to take a 29-inch wheel large e-bike, and you have charging inside as well. Dan, could you run us through how we maintain service the toilet, and also what water points we've got here as well?
Yeah, so this van's got a chemical toilet, which is accessed through the hatch in the back of the garage. We've got a water filler point in the back step, so you've got 70 litres of fresh water mounted next to your waste tank, so it's easy to drain at the rear of the vehicle. A hot and cold shower point, so whether it's washing your bike, yourself, your dog's down, you don't have to do it in freezing cold water. If you've got a heating system on, hot water.
Okay, so we've also had customers have water filtration systems fitted. So if you are going further afield or in certain countries and continents, you will want to kind of watch what water is going on board and where your fresh drinking water is coming from. but water filtration can be fitted. Thanks for watching today. We just wanted to give you a bit more of a technical insight into what we're putting into these vehicles and the legislation that we're working to. If you'd like to discuss one, please give us a call or look for us at a local show near you.